Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic engine oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a new oil filter. Make sure your Honda Civic is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool to avoid burns. Also, have the correct type and quantity of fresh engine oil ready for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your oil drain pan directly underneath it to catch the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old engine oil to flow out completely into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough oil change. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and refill. Remove the old oil filter and install a new one, making sure it's hand-tightened for a secure seal. Next, replace the drain plug firmly to prevent any leaks. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the engine's filler cap, typically around 4 quarts for many models. For the final steps, start your engine and carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Then, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and verify the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. This ensures everything is sealed and properly filled. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.